Okay. So the thing is, here I thought I would be just doing a normal mic test, but since it's pretty far, I mean, not that, man. What am I saying? Well, I just thought to myself, since... Okay, I think that's fine. I just thought to myself, since I was testing the lens anyways, why not do that as well? Because, I mean, at the end of the day, one wants to be able to achieve both results or tests both things. But I'm pretty sure you can hear me pretty clearly. This is just a mic test. Look at there. Look at there. I mean, it's all the same at the end of the day. Hold on, let me see how far I can go with this cable. Long. This cable is long. Okay, let's see how far we can go with this lens. I mean, this cable. Okay, so I'm in a completely different room now, where there's that laundry machine doing laundry, and I'm walking around. My goodness, what an insanely long ass cable. This is a long cable. Okay, cool. So I've got a long cable. I got this thing. I don't know what it does. Let me move out of focus. This thing. You can see there has got camera on and off. Besides that, it's supposed to work with your phone as well. So hopefully it works well, because right now this is all just hoping that it will work. Otherwise, I'm actually not sure how it's going to sound. So let's put it on the computer and see.